So today I'm going to be trying out a closure wig for the first time. This company, Unice Hair, I guess it's Unice, I don't know, sent me a wig. Little old me got a wig sent to them. So I have opened the box, but I haven't taken everything out yet, so we're literally just gonna do this together. So in this package you have the hair, some adjustable straps, which I'm not going to use, I don't think. Maybe I'm not going to use them today, I don't think. And this wig cap. So I just took off a wig, the wig that I had on in my last video. Well, I shouldn't say my last video because I don't know what order I'm uploading these in, but in one of my recent videos, the curly wig. I literally just took it off, so if my hair looks a little crusty, it's because there's glue still in it. We're just going to try this out, see what it does. I'm kind of excited because I feel like these closure wigs are probably easier to deal with than the lace all the way across. So yeah, it only has this little bit of lace, and it already has a middle part in it, and then looks like it goes back pretty far, a couple inches, maybe like 4 inches. I think this is a 4x4. And then inside the wig there's a clip in the back and 2 clips on the side. Is there one in the middle? No clip in the middle. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the wig cap that came with it. I guess I could have gelled my edges back. I probably should do that, but I'm just gonna use some Got To Be Glue gel and push those back. Okay, now that those are pressed back, I'm just gonna pull this wig cap over and slide it back. I'm just gonna take some alcohol, 91% alcohol, just to make sure that we don't have any oils or anything keeping the glue from sticking to the wig. I guess I should probably see if this is gonna lay flat before I just jump into this, because I may have to re-braid my hair, but I hope I don't. Choo, 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 choo. Oh Lord. Oh yeah, this is it. This hair is really soft. Really nice and soft. Ooh, I like this. I can already tell I like this. It's really soft. I don't have to worry about gluing these ear tabs down. This is gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Let me see. Ooh, and if we just want to do a side part, guess what? We still can. But I think I'm gonna try to keep the middle part today. I got the little baby bottle. And while that's drying, I'm gonna use this Black Radiance foundation stick, and I'm gonna just take a brush, dab it on there, and then I'm gonna try to color this wig cap a little bit. All right, that should be enough. I'm gonna let this dry. Cool. This layer is all clear, pretty much. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and toss this bad boy over. Put the clip in at the back. Wow, I just feel like this is really about to make my life. Okay, I'm literally just gonna go ahead and stick this down, I guess. Bruh, if this is this easy, my life will be changed forever. So I have it placed where I want it, so I'm just gonna press it into this glue. I wish I knew where my clips were. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip back these front pieces. And now with the hot comb that's been sitting here warming up. Oh. You tried to burn me! Oh my gosh. Erica J says this helps the lace melt in, or something like that, so that's what I'm going to do. I can already tell that I'm gonna need to pluck this, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. I mean, you really could probably just wear it like this, but I like a little baby hair situation. I like a little of that, so I'm just gonna do some light plucking. So I went ahead and parted out a little piece in the front for my baby hairs, and I don't really have a way to do this. I'm just gonna start thinning this out a little. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use an eyebrow razor and cut this off. Honestly, this doesn't even need to be glued down because it just is blending pretty well. I am gonna go ahead and put a part down the middle, and then I'm just gonna take a hair wax stick and press over where this part is going to be, and then go back in with the hot comb to help lay this down some. And then I'm going to go ahead and part out a little piece right here in the center to be my little widow's peak baby hair, because I just feel like I need one of those. And then using the yellow Got To Be Glued gel, I'm gonna lay that down and swoop it. Okay, so already I really haven't done anything to this besides like lay this part down in the middle. I'm going to use the powder that I use to bronze my face. And then I think I'm just going to put some curls in this hair. This hair is like not thin, but it's not super thick. But like I kind of like it. It's kind of nice. It's very soft and it's like not getting tangled at all, which I appreciate. And you could definitely wear this glueless. Anyways, I go ahead and section this halfway through, and then using my Babyliss Pro titanium iron, I'm just going to put some loose curls in this hair. Oh, it curls great. See that? It's great.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you.
This wig is amazing. It's very soft. It's very easy to curl, as you saw already. It's very easy to apply. We love that. Honestly, beginners, you can definitely wear this wig with no problems. Yeah, I like it. I'm a fan. Yeah, this wig though, super easy. I love a good easy wig. And this is a really affordable wig. I think this wig was like 80 something dollars. I think it was like 80-ish, which is not bad at all. Hey y'all. It's the next day after what y'all just saw. I actually ended up taking this wig off last night just because I just didn't want to sleep with it on, and I did a bad job of gluing it on, so yeah, I just went ahead and took it off last night. This morning I overslept getting ready for work, or I overslept for work, so I had to get ready really fast. So I did decide to pop this wig back on, and I like it a lot better today. And let me tell you why, sis. Yesterday, when I showed y'all me putting on the wig, I put it on directly in the center, so it would have a middle part. That was not working for my head and my face shape. So this morning when I put it back on, literally I just put the wig on, but I put it on like turned this way. So now the closure is from here to here. From here to here. So that I was able to wear a side part. These were the same baby hairs that were out yesterday. I just switched it and put it this way. So literally all I did this morning was I put this wig on my head. I said shh with this Got To Be Glued spray, and then I pressed it down right here, and that's literally all I did. So yeah, I think this is a great wig for like if you need something that's quick and easy to go with. It's great. It's really soft, still no tangling. It curls and straightens really well. So yeah, I have no issues with it. No issues. I'll leave the link for this hair in the description box. And thank you again, Unice Hair, for sending me this wig. I really appreciate it. And I'm excited to have something that I can just plop on and go with. So yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds. Click the button. Don't leave here without clicking that button. Thank you. Bye.